Hey, welcome to birthday party. And today is a rainy day. Oh, that thing looks like finches and a dove. It's raining, but they're not wet. These guys are not wet. They must be hiding somewhere. Oops, ouch. What kind of bird is this? Can, is that a starling or? I reckon I thought starlings were like darker color. They just jumped on that the the dove had. Oh, is there another bird came? What kind of bird is that? Maybe a dove? Looking at his feet, it's kind of reddish. Oh, this guy's aggressive. Look at him, he's all wet. I mean, compared to the other five birds, this guy's really wet. Don't know where he's in. Swimming, looks like. So I brought the bird feeder in because I used the cardboard bird feeder. It's gonna melt. Uh, so there's some food left behind. This guy's just pecking for it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. The rest of it's just this guy looking for food. Hope you enjoy. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.